Dear friends, in this video we are going to see class 5 maths smart chart, question and answer, and about the topic, explanation about the topic. Now let us see the chapter. Smart chart. Here Yamini did a project, animals and birds. She asked each child of her class about one favorite pet animals. She used tally marks to record each answer. For example, if someone said cat, she put one line, one tally mark in front of cats. When someone said cat again, she put one more line like this. She added a line, so it means 2, and when it is completed the square and the diagonal join means 5. In all 24 children said cat was their favorite animal. Help Yamini to complete the table. Here you can find the data collected by Yamini, number of cats in this tally mark. One complete square, actually 5, another 5 plus 5 10, 15, 20. Here 1 2 3 4, 24. The dogs, how many are there? First one 5 5 5 5 5 5 5, then 2. So 10, 20, 30, 32. Rabbits, only 2 squares, so tally mark 1, total 10. Cows 22. Parrots 5, 6, 7, 8. Then goats 20. Squirrel 15. Totally 131. So how many children in all Yamini talked to? So nearly 131 children. Now let us see another one, making tally marks on the roadside. Sumita stood on the road for half an hour and counted the number of vehicles passing by. She made a tally mark for each vehicle. This helped her in counting quickly the total number of vehicles in each group. She made the tally marks. Cycle, she counted 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. Cars, number of cars crossed 5, 10, 11, 12. She made the tabular column like this. 12, 28. Auto rickshaw, she saw 18 auto rickshaw were crossing. Bus, 15 buses. Cycle rickshaw 24, and truck 5 plus 1, 6. So totally 103 vehicles crossed when she was standing in the road. Helping hands. In the EVS period, the teacher asked children whether they helped their parents at home. There were different answers. Children named the work in which they helped their parents the most. The teacher collected their answers and made a table like this. Help most in housework. Going to the market, the number of children said, nearly 47 children said we are going to the market to help their parents. Washing utensils, 15 children said. Washing clothes, 3 children said in their class. Making, serving food, 25 children, and cleaning house, 10 children. Total number of children in the class is 100. She asked 100 children in the class. Now you can fill the chapati chart to show the number given in the table. Now this is actually chapati chart. It is looking like a chapati, so it is called a chapati chart. So how we can make the chapati chart? Children who help in making or serving food or making serving food. In the chapati chart you can find, is it 1/3 of the total children or half of the total children or 1/4 of the total children? If you see the chapati chart you can find making serving food is 1/4 of the total children, 1/4. That is actually option C. Practice time. After a school, ask 10 of your friends about what they like to do most after school. Some children said watching TV, nearly 2 children. Playing football, 3 children said. Reading storybooks, 2. Cycling, 1. Playing indoor game, 1. Doing homework, 1. These are the data collected from the class. Rayini loves to watch cartoons on television. One day she thought of counting the number of advertisements during the break. She found that in each break there were 14 advertisements. In 10 of those advertisements there were children as actors. Now question arises, why do you think that the children are used in so many advertisements? Children are used in so many advertisements because cartoons are mostly watched by children. That is the main reason. So the advertisement, the children are used so many advertisements. The reason behind that, cartoons. Use tally marks to count the number of ad or advertisement during a short break in the program. Total tally marks used to count the number of advertisement can be as follows, assuming there are 14 advertisement in a break. Were there advertisement during the news program? Yes, of course. During news program also there are many advertisement. Next time when you watch your favorite TV program, count the number of advertisement during each break. Use tally marks. Put a dot below the tally marks. Find the children in any advertisement. This is actually you can do the activity, subject enrichment activity. You can practice at home. Compare with your friends and do you get a different answer? Afterwards you can compare it from your data. Hot and cold. Have you seen the weather report on TV? Yes. In a newspaper? Yes. There are 2 bar chart. This shows the highest temperature in degree. Here you can find 2 chart, bar chart. 1st June it is collected and 1st December the data is collected. On 2 different days, the cities are Delhi and Shimla, Bangalore and Jaisalmer. Here Delhi, Shimla, Bangalore and Jaisalmer, the temperature recorded 1st June 33 degrees Celsius, 22, 28, 38. The same, the 1st December it was recorded Delhi 23 degrees Celsius, 10 degree and 24 Bangalore and Jaisalmer it is a 25 degree. Now find out from the chart, bar chart, which city is the hottest on 1st June. 1st June you can see the Jaisalmer is the hottest because you can find 38 degrees Celsius. So the answer is Jaisalmer. Which city is the coldest on 1st December? You see Shimla. Shimla only 10 degrees Celsius. So Shimla. Which city shows little change in temperature on the 2 days? I mean 1st June and 1st December. You can find Bangalore. Bangalore, the 1st June it is 28 degree and the 1st December it is 24 degrees Celsius and the difference is 4 degrees Celsius. On any one day you can collect the data 3 cities and record their temperature from the TV or newspaper. It is homework you can practice at home. Make a chart in your notebook and ask your friends a few questions about it. See if they understand your chart or not. The subject enrichment activity we can give to the children. Subject enrichment activity. Now rabbits in Australia. Here Earlier there were no rabbits in Australia. Rabbits were brought to Australia around the year 1780. At that time there were no animals in Australia which ate rabbits. So the rabbits began to multiply at very fast rate. Imagine that did to the crops. The total, the table shows rabbits growth every year. For example, at the beginning the number of rabbits was 10. The first year, after completing the first year, the growth is 18, just double, less than 2. And the second year 32, the third year 58, the fourth year 108. Like that the growth is there. After each year the number of rabbits was a little less than double, a double the number in the last year, a 8 more than the last year, a more than double the number of rabbits in the last year, a little less than double the last year. Actually little less than, when you double it 10 it will become 20, but the second year when it begins it is 18, so it is less than 2. So 20 minus 2 is 18. So it is just less than double the number of rabbits in the last year. Okay, that is the answer. At the end of year 6, what happened? The number of rabbits was close to 400. End of the year 6, it will become 400. After which year did the rabbits cross 1000 and above? After the year 1788, it grows more than 1000. Family tree. Here you can find the family tree. Madhav went to a wedding along with his parents. He met many relatives there, but he did not know everyone. He met his mother's grandfather but found that her grandmother is not alive. He also found that her dadi mother, a grandmother's mother is still alive and is more than 100 years old. Madhav got confused. He could not imagine his grandmother's mother. So Madhav's mother made a family tree for him. Here is the family tree made for Madhav. Madhav's father, Madhav's mother Sobna, then generation Sobha's father and Sobna's mother, then father, grandfather, grandmother, and all the details are given in the family tree. Now based on that we can ask some questions. Madhav's mother helped him understand her family with the help of the drawing. You can also find out about your older generation using such a family tree. Answer this question. How many grandparents in all does Sobna have? Here you can find 4. How many great grandparents in all does Madhav have? 8. How many elders will be there in the 17th generation of his family? In 16th generation, 8 2s are 16. In 7th generation, 16 2s are 32. So 32 members will be there. If he takes his family tree forward, in which generation will he find 128 elders? In 8th generation, 32 2s are 64. The 9th generation, 64 into 2, 128. So if he takes his family tree forward, in 9th generation he will find 128 elders. Now another one, growth chart of a plant. Here day 1, length of the plant in centimeter. First 0 day 0 only. After completing 4 days, 1.4 centimeter. The height of the plant grow to 1.4 centimeter in the first 4 days. After that it started growing very fastly. Amit measured the height of the plant every year 4 days and put a dot on the chart. For example, if he look at the dot marked on the 4th day, he can see on the left side scale that it is 1.4 centimeter height. Now look at the height of each dot in centimeter. Check from the table if he has marked the dots correctly or not. The first 4 days the growth of the plant is 1.4 centimeter. He used the scale. To find the growth of the next 8th day 5.3 centimeter the plant's growth. On 12th day 9.5, 20th day 10.9. Now here he made the chart. He keep the dot on the chart. Here we can say this is chart x-axis. Here we can say that it is y-axis. Now he made the chart. First 4 days. Here days. He mentioned the days horizontally. So first 4 days the growth is, he put the dot here, and 4 to 8 days it grows like this, and 8 to 12 days then he keep the dot like that. Now some questions. Between which day did the length of the plant change the most? You can find 8 to 12. This 8 to 12 the growth of the plants, you can see the length of the dots very long. Which could be the length of this plant on the 14th day? Either 12th day, you can find 14th day, it will be 9.9 centimeter. Will the plant keep growing and all the time? No, I think its length would be about 17 to 18 centimeter on 100th day. On 100th day the plant growth will be 17 to 18 centimeter. Now some question answers. Yamini did a project animals and birds. She asked each child of the class one favorite animal. She used tally marks to record each answer. For example, if someone said cat, she means 5 cats. In all 24 children said cat was their favorite. Help Yamini complete the table. We have completed the table by counting the number of tally marks. You have to count the tally marks and write the number. For example, 5, 5, 5, 5, 20 plus 4, 24. Here you can rabbits 5 plus 5, 10 like that. Parrots 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. You are able to complete the table. On one in front of cats, when someone said to cat, again she added a line. So if 4 means 2 cats, and you can find, for example, 4, how we can write tally marks for 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is tally mark for 4. Suppose 5. For 5 tally marks we can make like this square and complete it. This means 5. 2 means 1, 2. 1 means only 1 tally mark. 3 tally marks you can make 1, 2, 3 like that. Look at the tally marks and write the number for each animal in the table that we have completed. Which is the most favorite pet animal in that table? You can find the complete table is given above. Yamini talked to 131. Total number of children in the table 131. Dog is the most favorite in the table. I would like question number C. Which pet animal will you like to have? I like to have dog as a pet. I will write tiger. I will name it tiger. We can also keep cats and parrots as pet animal if we live in cities. We can keep cow and goats also if we live in villages. Making tally marks on the roadside, Sumita stood on the road for half an hour and counted the number of vehicles passing by. She made a tally marks like this: cycle passing, car, auto rickshaw, bus and everything. Number of vehicle shown in the table 103 vehicles. Total number of vehicles he saw within that half an hour. So how many vehicles in all did Sumita see on the road in half an hour? In half an hour she saw 103 vehicles. 103 vehicles she saw. Auto rickshaw or thrice the number of trucks? Yes or no? False. False is the correct answer. Make tally marks for 7 more buses. 7 more buses we can make tally mark like this. For 5, this is 5, is 6, is 7, and 2 more trucks. 2 more trucks we can make like this. Question number 3. Take a round in your colony. Find out how many types of trees you can see there. Do you know their animals? Do you know their names? You can make a drawing. Use tally marks to note the number of different trees. I found many type of trees. I know their names. These are neem tree, bevel tree, bubble tree, tamarind tree, mango tree, kova tree, banyan tree, etc. etc. Tally marks for these trees are given in the table. Neem tree, the tally marks, number of tally marks counting and try 5, 10, 15, 20, 24. 24. Then people tree 32, then 10, tamarind 22, mango tree, kova tree, banyan tree, totally 131 tree found in the colony. Helping hands. In the EVS period, the teacher asked whether they help their parents at home. There were different answers. Children named the work in which they help their parents the most. The teacher collected the answers and made a table. Going to market, 47 children, and washing utensils, 15 children, washing clothes, 3 children, and making serving food, 25, cleaning the house, 10. Total number of children helping in their home, 100 children. Now we can make the chapati chart to show the numbers given in the table. Here is the chapati chart. The circle is divided like this. Here making serving food, quarter, 1/4 of the children. Here you can find 25 because 100 divided into 4, so 25. So very less. Washing clothes, only 10 children, so you can make it like this chapati chart. Cleaning house 10, and washing cloth 3. Washing utensils you can find 15 children. Going to the market, nearly 47 children. So like that you can make the chapati chart. Why it is called chapati chart? Because it is looking like a chapati, so it is called. So find out children who help in making or serving food. Actually 1/4 of the total children. 1/4 of the total children making serving food. This is 1/4 of the total children. Total children is 100. 1/4 of the 100. 1/4 of 100. 1/4 of 100 is 25. So practice time. After school, ask 10 of your friends about what they like to do most after school. Watching TV, 2 children, playing football, reading storybooks, cycling, and playing indoor game, doing homework. These are the data collected from our friends. 10 of our friends. Ragini loves to watch cartoons in television. One day she thought of counting the number of advertisements during her break. During the break, she found that in each break there were nearly 14 advertisements. In 10 of those advertisements were children. So why do you think children are used in so many? Because children like cartoons are mostly watched by children. That is the reason. Use tally marks to count the number of advertisements during short break. She made 14 advertisements in the break. 5 and again 5, here 4. Next time when you watch your favorite TV program, count the number of advertisements during each break. Use a tally mark. Put a dot below the tally when you find the children in any advertisement. Complete the table. First time, second, third, fourth. Number of advertisements, the 12. Second time, 13. When I complete my chart with my friend's chart, I found a difference. The other friends was not watching the same program. Hot and cold. Have you seen the weather report on TV or in a newspaper? These are the chart, bar chart. These show the highest temperature in degrees Celsius in our cities on 2 different days. The cities are Delhi, Shimla, Bangalore, and Jaisalmer. The 4 cities temperature here recorded. Which city is the hottest on 1st June? You can find Jaisalmer. Jaisalmer is the 1st June, 38 degree maximum temperature. Shimla is the coldest on the 1st. Shimla. Which city shows little change in temperature? Actually Bangalore shows little change in temperature. First day it is 28 degree, 1st June. On 1st December it is Bangalore is 24. So difference between 28 and 24, actually 4 degrees Celsius. On any one day you can select a city and record the temperature from the TV. Here I have collected the data from the TV. Delhi temperature 35 degree, Bangalore and Sikkim, these three cities. Which city is the hottest on 10th April? It is on 10th April I have collected the data. So Delhi is the hottest city on 10th April. On 10th April. Which city is the coldest? Sikkim is the coldest one. And since many friends have answered correctly, so they understood the chart. Rabbits in Australia. Earlier there were no rabbits in Australia. Rabbits were brought to Australia around the year 1780. At that time there were no animals in Australia which ate rabbits. So the rabbits began to multiply at a very fast rate. Imagine what would it to the crops. The table shows how the growth of the rabbits in every year. After each year the number of rabbits was double, a little less than double the number of rabbits in the year, because you see first year starting 10, it is first year completing 18, so it is double and less than 2 number. So like that each year the rabbit growth double the number of the previous year. At the end of 6th year the number of rabbits will be 400. After 1788 the rabbit growth will be more than 1000. Family tree. Madhav went to the wedding along his parents. Here some questions are based on this family tree. How many grandparents in all the Sobna have? 4. How many great grandparents in? 8. How many elders will be in the 7th generation? 6th generation 8 2s are 16, and 7th generation 16 2s are 32. If he takes his family tree forward in generation, will he find 128 elders in the year 9th generation? 9th generation we can find 128 elders. Chart of a plant. Amit sowed a few seeds of moong dal in the ground. The height of the plant grow 1.4 centimeter every 4 year. Then on 8th day it grows 5.3, on 12th day 9.5, 16th day 10.2, 20th day 10. Now look at the height of the each dot in centimeter and check from the table. Yes, he has marked the dots correctly in the chart. Find out from the growth chart between which day did the plant's length of the plant change the most. You can find 18 to 12. This 18 to 12, the plant's growth is more. What could be the length of this plant on 14th day? 14th day you can find the length of the growth is 9.9 centimeter. Will the plant keep growing all the time? No, I think its length would be 17 to 18 centimeter on 100th day. Thank you.